Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer operation 2, unit number 5, adsorption and ion exchange. In a previous lecture માં સિંગલ સ્ટેજ ઓપરેશન જોયું હતું આપણે ફ્રેન્ડલી ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝિસ પર. હવે જોઈએ આપણે મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ ક્રોસ કરંટ ઓપરેશન ફોર ફ્રેન્ડલી ઇક્વેશન્સ અને સમ એપ્લિકેશન્સ પાર્ટ ફોર ફ્રેન્ડલી ઇક્વેશન્સ. Okay, now start to the multi-stage cross current operations. The removal of a given amount of solute can be accomplished with a greater economy of adsorbent in the some solution is treated with a separate small batches. જે અલગ અલગ સ્મોલ પાર્ટમાં સેપરેટ હશે અને એનો અલગ અલગ બેચીસ હશે ઓફ એડઝોર્બન્ટ રેધર દેન ઇન અ સિંગલ બેચ. શું કીધું છે એના કરતાં જે સિંગલ સ્ટેજ કરતાં જે મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ છે એ વધારે સારું છે. નાવ with filtration between each stage, દરેક સ્ટેજનું ફિલ્ટરેશન કરવામાં આવશે. Between the each stage, this method of operations and sometimes called the split feed treatment કહેવાશે ને, is usually done in batch fashions, although continuous operation is also possible and also economy part is particularly important when activated carbon fairly expensive adsorbent is used. The saving are greater the larger the number of batches used, but are the expense of greater filtration and other handling cost. It is therefore seldom economical to use more than 2 stages. In a rare instance, the adsorption may be irreversible processes, so that separated adsorbent dosage can be applied for without intermediate filtration part at considerable savings in the operating cost also. This is by far the exception rather than the rules, and when they applied to ordinary reversible adsorption, it will provide the same end result as if all the adsorbent had been used in a single stages basis હશે. Now simply a schematic flow sheet and operating diagram, a typical operations જોવાના છે આપણે of two equilibrium stages are shown in a figure 11.18 માં છે, and the same quantity of a solution part is treated in each stages માટે by amount of adsorbent SS1 and SS2 in the two stages respectively to reduce the solute concentration part of the solution from Y0 to Y2, and the material balance are for stages 1 for LS Y0 minus Y1 is equal to SS1 X1 minus X0 sorry, and for stage 2 માટે LS Y1 minus Y2 is equal to SS2 X2 minus X0. Okay, now stage 2 is to provide the operating lines shown on the figure, each of a slope appropriate to the adsorbent quantity used in the corresponding stages, and the extension to large number of stages is obvious if the amount of adsorbent used in each stage are equal. The operating lines on the diagram will be parallel. The least total amount of adsorbent will require unequal dosage in each stage except where the equilibrium part isotherm is a linear, and in the general case this can be established only by a trial and error conceptions part. So first of all, write down these two equations. Write down two equations, then again repeated this equations part. Okay, now this is a provide for these equations, and the operating lines shown in the figure, each of slope approximate in the adsorbent part, and the quantity is used to the corresponding stages. The extension to large number of stages is obviously if the amounts of adsorbent used in the each stages are equal, the operating lines on the diagram will be parallel part. The least total amount of adsorbent will require an unusual dosage in each stages except the equilibrium isotherm is linear part, and in the general case this can be established only by a trial and error conceptions. Okay, now the applications of the French equations એ જોઈશું આપણે some equations part and again discussion part for this one. કાઉન્ટર કરંટ ઓપરેશન્સ છે એ નથી, આપણે ક્રોસ કરંટ જ જોવાનું છે, કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કરંટ એમાં સિલેબસમાં નથી. ઓકે, પ્રિન્સિપલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ અને રેટ ઓફ આયન એક્સચેન્જ આપણે એક લેક્ચરમાં ફિનિશ કરી દઈશું એ વસ્તુ. Now the applications of the French equations for a multi-stage cross current operations માટે કાઉન્ટર કરંટ માટે આપણે જોવાનું નથી, ઓનલી French equations single stage અને multi stage cross current operations. Now the applications when the French expression equations 11.5 જે આપણે ઓલરેડી જોઈ ગયા છે, and describe the adsorption isotherm satisfactories and phase adsorbent is used in each stages. X0 is equal to 0. The least total amount of adsorbent for a two-stage system can be computed directly. Thus, for stage 1, SS1 by Ls is equal to Y0 minus Y1 by Y1 by m raised to 1 by n. Okay, when the Freundlich expressions, तो इक्वेशंस लखी लो SS1 by Ls is equal to Y0 minus Y1 by Y1 by m raised to 1 by n. Write down this equation. Okay, now what is the SS1 by Ls is equal to Y0 minus Y1 by Y1 by m raised to 1 by n, and the simply figure अभी તમારે ફિગર ડ્રો કરવાની છે. સ્ટેજ 1 અને સ્ટેજ 2 જે મલ્ટી સ્ટેજ આપ્યું છે એના માટે this is the Ls Y0 એ સોલ્વન્ટ બેઝિસ માટે કીધું છે તમને. સ્ટેજ 1 માટે SS1 in adsorbent X0, SS1 X1 stage 1 માટે. Now the Ls and Y1 for adding part to stage 2, this one for SS2 in adsorbent X0 part to stage 2 માટે, SS2 X2 stage 2 માટે, Ls and Y2 stage 2 માટે. Draw this diagram. Okay, now the draw this stages for a figure. Two stage cross current adsorption અને two stage cross current adsorption છે y versus x. Okay, તો સ્લોપ મેઇન કર્વ માટે કયો હોઈ શકે? this one. y versus x નો ગ્રાફ છે, y2 y1 x2 અને x1. ઓકે, x0 y0 for this is a equilibrium curve અને ઓપરેટિંગ લાઇન છે આપણને આપી છે સ્ટેજ 1 માટે, સ્લોપ છે માઇનસ SS1 by Ls, this one. Okay, so this in the two stage cross current adsorptions છે આપણે કાઉન્ટર કરંટ માટે નથી જોવાના. ઓકે, આપણે મેઇન વસ્તુ જોઈ for applications of Freundlich equations માટે. When the Freundlich expression describe the adsorption isothermal satisfactory and a phase adsorbent is used in each stages, at least the total amount of adsorbent for a stage wise two stage system can be computed directly. Thus for a stage 1 an SS1 by Ls is equal to y0 minus y1 by y1 by m raised to 1 by n. Okay, now the explanation part, main is which is the equations. Equations का 0 SS2 by Ls is equal to y1 minus y2 by y2 by m raised to 1 by n. Stage 2 માટે write down these equations. Next I જોઈશું આપણે this one and third this one. Okay, SS1 plus SS2 by Ls is equal to m raised to 1 by n in a bracket y0 minus y1 by y1 raised to 1 by n plus y1 minus y2 by y2 raised to 1 by n. And simply y1 by y2 raised to 1 by n is equal to minus 1 by n multiply y0 by y1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by n. Write down all three equations. Okay, these all three equations is most important for this basis. Now this again repeated, SS2 by Ls is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by y2 by m raised to 1 by n. The total amount of adsorbent used is the SS1 plus SS2 by Ls is equal to m raised to 1 by n y0 minus y1 by y1 raised to 1 by n plus y1 minus y2 by y2 raised to 1 by n. For minimum total adsorbent d in a whole brackets h1 plus h2 in a by Ls by d by 1 is set equal to 0, and since for a given case m and y0 and y2 are constant, this is reduced to y1 by y2 raised to 1 by n minus 1 by n y0 by y1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by n. Okay, now these equations, above three equations for a part for these equations, it has been established that cross flow operations with a split of the adsorbent as in a figure 11.18 is better than the alternative possibilities. Now multi-stage operation માટે આપણે જોવાનું નથી, છતાં બી જોઈ લો these equations basis. Now simply 3 સ્ટેજ માટેનું છે જે સિલેબસમાં તમારા પાર્ટમાં નથી. Theoretical stage required is found by the drawing the usual staircase construction part between the equilibrium curve and operating line in the manners. Okay, applications of Freundlich equations જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. Then two stages માટે છે applications of Freundlich equations. Now next part in the next lecture, agitated vessel liquid constant નથી ટોપિકમાં. Now mass transfer આપણને નથી જોવાનું. This is some applications, equilibrium conditions અને rate of ion exchange જોવાના છે આપણે. જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ એપ્લિકેશન્સ ફોર ગેસ ફ્લુઇડાઇઝ બેડ. કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કન્ડક્ટ સ્ટડી સ્ટેજ માટે એબ્ઝોર્બર, વન કોમ્પોનન્ટ માટે ઓકે. મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ પોઈન્ટ્સ છે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોવાના છે. વિચ વન ઇઝ ધ ટોપિક? એપ્લિકેશન્સ ફોર ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ બેઝિસ, સમ એડઝોર્પ્શન વેવ, ઓકે, સમ વેપર્સ બેઝિસ છે, ઓકે. તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. ધીસ ઇઝ ધ રેટ ઓફ એડઝોર્પ્શન ઇન અ ફિક્સ બેડ. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.